Hello viewers, today in this video I am going to show you how to delete your Facebook account. First of all, open your Facebook application on your device and then tap on three horizontal line top of the right. Then scroll down little bit. You can see here settings and privacy. Tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on settings. After tap on settings, you can see here see more in account center. Tap on see more in account center. Now you can see here personal details. Tap on personal details. After tap on personal details, you can see here account ownership and control. Tap on account ownership and control and then tap on deactivation or deletion. Now we can see your all account. Select this account. Which account you want to delete it. Tap on this account and then you can see here deactivate account or delete account. If you want to delete your account permanent, select that and then tap on continue. You can see multiple options here. You can select any one. My select is first option. Then tap on continue. Now tap on continue again. Scroll down and then tap on continue again. Now type here your Facebook password and then tap on continue and then tap on delete account. If you tap on delete account, hopefully permanently. I don't want to delete my account. Then tap on delete account. Hopefully solve your problem. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.